Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best rolling backpacks for adults that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Targus Compact Rolling Business and Travel Commuter Backpack. This particular rolling backpack would be suitable for a laptop of 16-inch. The large storage pocket would let you keep some items inside, and if you are traveling you can keep essentials. If you plan on keeping the clothes, there are elastic straps to keep the clothes in place. When carrying your items in a backpack, it is important that you are taking care of the essentials. With the help of a rolling backpack, you can have this option since it can stay in front of your eyes. It would be easy for you to manage if the backpack stays in front. But, whenever you are making a final purchase decision, do thorough research first. Moving on, at number 4, we have the 19 inches large storage multifunction waterproof travel wheeled rolling backpack. If you are looking for a rolling backpack of purple color that is appealing to the eyes, you can consider this particular one as your travel companion. It is designed to be lightweight and is so compact that you can easily fit it under the airplane speed. It is suitable for adults and even for college or school students. It has enough storage capacity that would allow you to keep a variety of items inside, including your laptop. It has a convenient design and you can easily use it. It is important for you to keep in mind that despite the great design, it would be better if you are not using this backpack in rain for a long time. At number 3, we have the J-World New York Sundance Laptop Rolling Backpack. If you are looking for a backpack of colorful design, you can take a look at this particular one. It is imported and the material utilized in the making is 100% polyester. It is suitable for the school-going students. It would be a good idea to use it since the kid need not carry the backpack on their shoulders when going to school. It is composed of material of good quality. However, to know about the durability of this backpack, you can check the customer reviews. Make sure you are checking the relevant features before making a final purchase. At number 2, we have the Olympia Cascade 20 inches outdoor upright carry-on with Hideaway backpack straps. Available in green color, this particular backpack can be a suitable addition to your lifestyle, especially if you are not fond of carrying the backpack on your back. If you are looking to increase the capacity of this backpack, you might find it interesting to note that it is expandable. You can use it for travel purposes. Usually, when you are taking a journey, it is best to have a backpack that is safe and easy to use so that you can keep your essential items inside with a certain peace of mind. For information on the durability, check the buyer reviews. And finally, at number 1, we have the Fila 22 inches lightweight carry-on rolling duffel bag. This particular backpack is lightweight and hence, using it would be easy for you. It is composed of durable polyester and thus, you can expect it to last. You can extend the handle of this backpack for up to 21 inches. There is enough space in the main compartment of this backpack. It is black in color and available in one size. It is appealing to the eyes and the black color is making it look elegant. So, if you have been looking for such features that can make the backpack ideal for you, check out this one. But, to know whether it is actually durable or not, you have to try it, but there is another option, and what you can do is go through the buyer reviews. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.